Hello everyone, warm welcome to my cooking video. I will cook fish today. So let's start the video and enjoy my full video and get entertained. Alright, at first I took some potato and I removed all the covers of potato and washed the potato, and I'm cutting the potatoes to cook for our lunch. Okay, now I'm cutting garlic. Okay, you can see I'm cutting one garlic into different pieces. Okay, at first I press and it's brittle, and I'm cutting one by one into different pieces this garlic. All right, and I'm trying to make it paste like a little pieces. Okay, after that I will cut onion. Okay, you can see I start to cut the onions. I will cut onions to cook fish. Alright, without onion and garlic it's not possible to cook any type of fish or something vegetables. Well, you can see I'm cutting and cutting and cutting to cook fish for our lunch. We'll have lunch by it, and the fish name is chabli in our regional language. Alright, you can see here is our fishes. It looks like hillshab. I gave some salt and mixing with the salt these fishes. Well, after that I will mix. Wait, and I'm washing the fishes so that the all type of garbage or something from fishes will be removed easily and make a perfect tasty food. Alright, and I'm giving salt again. Well, and I will give turmeric powder and some chili powder as well. Okay, here is chili powder and I will use some turmeric powder. You can see in this pot I'm using it. Okay, now I will mix it is pieces of each others by the use of turmeric powder and chili powder. Well, I am mixing manually one by one because I'm going to make it fry. If I fry, then it will make a very tasty food and give us a very tasty and healthy food. Well, you can see I'm mixing manually. Well, now I'm going to make it dry on the oil. Well, I'm giving some oil. Wait, here we go. You can see I gave every pieces of fishes on the pan to make it dry, to make it fry. Well, and now I'm going to make it dry the other opposite sides. So I'm doing turn around the other fish, other sides of fish. Here is some heads of fish. I bought almost 6 or 7 fishes. 7 okay, it's going to be all right. Well, one side is completed and other is going to be well, and it is completed, so I'm going to cook it. Well, I'm pouring oil on the pot to cook this fish. Well, and giving the ingredients garlic and onions in the oil, and I'm going to boil it perfectly. Well, I'm mixing each other and make it boil. Well, on the other sides of the stove I'm making vegetables. I mean I'm doing cooking vegetables. You can see it is going to be all right, and giving some water. Well, so that the every little pieces of onion and garlics are being boiled. Okay, now I'm going to use some salts. You can see 1 spoon is enough right now. I mean for the time being is enough. After that, if needed, then I am going to give it again. Well, I will boil it again and mixing is other. Okay, after that I am giving turmeric, sorry, it's chili powder, 3 spoons of chili powder. If you need more, then you can give. Okay, I gave 4 spoons, 4 spoons of chili powder. Okay, and I'm mixing with this powder, this garlic and onions, and I will give uh, turmeric powders as well. Okay, here you can see I'm giving some turmeric powders. 2 spoons is enough for this cooking. Okay, I'm giving some cumin powders and cilantro powders. It is very special recipe. It is a secret recipe for my cooking. Okay, if I give this type of spices, then it gives us a spicy food as well. I mean, it's very hot and tasty food. Okay, it takes its perfect color. Okay, all right, I will mix it and keep sometimes on fire. Okay, after that I get all the potatoes I cut. Okay, potatoes are ingredients to cook this. Well, potato is very important cheese in this cooking. If I give some potatoes beside the fish, then it's very interesting and tasty. Well, and I will keep sometimes in this way. Well, I'm mixing again and again because every spices is enter in the potatoes and fishes. Okay, I cover it and I will remove and check it again and mixing again. Well, you can see here is some boiled water for cooking, and I'm giving boiled water so that the cook is very tasty. It's going to be very tasty if I use the hot water. It is secret recipe as well. If you give this hot water, then it is going to be very tasty food. It makes a exceptional flavor. Well, it's time to give my main ingredients of this cooking. I mean fishes. I'm pouring every pieces of fishes in the pot. Well, I have almost 11 or 12 pieces of fish that I'm going to pour in this pot, and you can see, and after that I will cover. Well, it is almost finishes this cooking. It takes its perfect color and going to be very tasty, I hope so.